there's this trend on YouTube, DIY fidget lightning fidget spinner, XtremeGamez, 5.2 million views. I'm gonna just watch it. Oh ho, hey, we got two spellings here. Woo! Bro, what do you have? A lot of, you must like a lot of balls. Oh my god. This nibber is giving away an iPhone. How much? iPhone 7 giveaway. To enter, subscribe. I want to see how much times they say subscribe.
If you want to be entered into this giveaway, make sure you subscribe right now. Leave a like on this video.
That's one.
And comment down below what you want to win. If you are not subscribed, guys, you cannot be entered. So press that subscribe button right now and smash a like on this video. Guys, subscribe right now. We are so close to 2 million subscribers. If you guys could subscribe right now, that would be so absolutely awesome, guys. Every subscriber that presses that subscribe button joins the Extreme Army. Guys.
Yo, hey, Extreme Army. Yo, let me join that Extreme Army. Haha. I mean, no. Calm down. No. Calm down. Fina, you're here to roast these two bastards. Why is there bleach here? Am I never gonna drink some bleach? Please do. Extrema. Nope. Yep. Mad. Shit. No. You can't give in. You can't give in. So how, you know? How hot these guys.
And all you have to do is press the subscribe
Okay, another
button. So subscribe right now.
Oh my god.
Guys, it helps us out so much. You ready to do this? I'm ready to do this. Let's make a lightning fidget.
What was that? He doesn't look very enthusiastic.
Let's make a what we're gonna actually do is we're gonna make slime. So
Slime. Can't you just get slime out of your pants? Okay, let's continue.
You know, just laundry detergents is mixed in and it's slime. So we've been mixing it out for about 2 minutes only, and it is complete slime right now. It doesn't stick to your hands. It's absolutely awesome looking, and we're ready to create this into a fidget spinner right now. Looks
Not gonna lie. That looks pretty cool.
that is just like amazing. Alright.
Whoa. He's staring into your soul. Like, look at this. This guy right here, he loves balls. As you can clearly see, he's gonna stare into your soul, grab your ain.
So amazing.
Yo, you can tell their reactions are fake. Like, they're faker than mine. It's like, dude, that's amazing. Yeah. You'll be like, oh, I just shot a guy. Dude, that's amazing. Yeah. I just don't got any words. But they got more subs than me, so I'ma just join the Extreme Army. Yeah, might as well. So I didn't get ruefully penetrated. Yeah. Cause they make, I'm just 2.2 million. I got, how much do I got? Shit. I got 109. Mad. So 2.2 million. Hold up. Let me just do some mathematics. 2.208. What the shit is this? Yo, you could just take that chocolate bar away and then you could put something like a lollipop inside of. Okay, let me just move on. Okay, calculator. What was I doing? Calculator. Yeah, calculator. Alright, 2208 272 minus how much? 109. Come here. 109 equals they got about 2,208,163 more than me. Is that it?
Put this into the actual mold, which is right there. When we put it into there, it's gonna
Right where? Right there? What's right there? Is it up there? Up there? Up there? Up there? Oh, it's right there. Okay. Okay.
actually really looks cool. So I think it's actually ready to go in. Alright, this is gonna be absolutely amazing. Tommy, you wanna do this?
Bro, is like everything absolutely amazing to you? Like, so. But I'm sorry. But like, I'm not sorry. Everything's. Oh shit, and Voltac. I just cracked my. It's like everything absolutely amazing to you. Like. Because I explained it before. I'm not gonna explain it again. You'd be like, oh, I just murdered a chicken. That was absolutely amazing.
Can't make a mistake.
What? Is he the devil? You the devil? Cause if you are, I'ma unsubscribe. Ran from a chemist. What? Can't make it.
Be absolutely amazing. Tommy, you gotta do this right. Alright, you ready? You can't make a mistake.
Bro, calm down. You're over exaggerating your whole existence.
It's a weird circle.
You're a weird circle. I mean, what?
Then you'll fill the cracks.
Like I filled your crack at.
Guys, this is looking so powerful.
Powerful. What are you gonna do with it? Are you gonna penetrate it? Are you gonna let it bend you over, penetrate you? Alright, it's gonna spin between your ass cheeks. Like, bro, what is going on?
Pumpkin and half of it's missing now. So this is odd. Alright, I'm pulling out. That
I
is so
I think the other half is over there. I'm not Einstein, but the other half is right over there, boy. But you know, I'ma leave the genius work to you.
the Hall of Fame of fidget spinners. Yeah, but the thing is, it's gonna
You have a Hall of Fame for fidget spinners. That's your Hall of Fame. I don't. That's not a hall.
That's gonna wrap up today's video, guys. If you did enjoy, smash a like, subscribe, and we're gonna see you guys in the next one. See you later, guys. Let's see.
Alright guys, that's gonna do it for my video. See you later.